What's up? Howdy there. DryFork Garage. We're in the garage. Today we're working on the kz750. One of the spark plug holes was stripped out. So I'm gonna use a hack that I found online. I'm gonna see if it works out and show you guys how to do it as well. So stay tuned. As you can see right there, the top threads are just totally gone. I tried to put it in with a wrench instead of threading it in with my hand at first. So rookie mistake. Definitely learned my lesson now. Anyways, so we got this is pretty well the only thing we need for this. The guy I saw online, he had grease and stuff, but that was only because of his engine was still on the bike. But you can see we got it off here. It's on the workbench. So the first thing we got to do is cut 4 notches so it looks like a tap, right like this one here. So we're just gonna take this Sawzall blade, and he said just cut 4 notches until you can't see the threads anymore, until it's flat, I guess. Anyways, and do that 4 different times, obviously 90 degrees apart each one. So we'll just start working on it, I guess. You can already tell this is gonna be a while. I haven't made any progress, so we're just gonna be back soon. I think I'm just gonna get the Sawzall on it instead of trying to do it by hand. If you don't have a tool, make the tool. So this is gonna be our vice grip for today. Kind of awkward, I don't really know how to do this, but it might just be easier to get a grinder on it. So we're gonna try that next. All right, got her all done. I think that's good enough. I found that it's easiest just to hit it with the grinder right there and then kind of polish it up with the hacksaw. On this one, I don't even think I hit it with the hacksaw. It should be good enough. It should work as a tap the way it is, so I guess we'll test it at least. Well, it went pretty smoothly up to that point. Now I think we'll go get the socket. Uh-oh, it may be cutting threads the way, well, maybe it's cutting them right. It looks like they're cutting them pretty clean. I'm gonna maybe blow it out, get all that gunk out, and then see if we can keep going with it. Well, boys and girls, this is a non-cut up spark plug. Oh, maybe. And it threads in there just like nothing. Clear to the bottom. So it's a success. It all worked. It saved me time and money. Bam. You see it's sitting down flat, sitting straight. Well, that just puts me one step closer to getting this whole thing done. Got it all fixed. Sweet. Well, I'm more than happy that hack worked. I'm super glad I was able to find it. If this is your first time watching, go check out some of my other videos, see if you like those, and if you like them, then just subscribe. Get a lot of motorcycle fixing content that I enjoy making. It's just a party all the time. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help you out as well. I'll see you on the next one.